Let's see how to install Line on Android. First, let's find Google Play. Tap on Google Play. On the search above, write Line. After you have found Line, just tap on Install and wait. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. Now, tap on the Start button. Now, tap on Continue. Allow Line to make and manage phone calls. Now, select the country you are in and write the phone number. Check the two options. I'm at least 16 years old and I agree to Line's privacy policy. Now tap on the button from the bottom. Now wait for the verification code and write it. It seems somebody had an account with the same number in the past, so I'll just tap No, that's not me. Now tap on Create a new account. Write a new display name and tap Next. Create a password and confirm the password. Tap on Next. Tap again Next. Now Line is installed on your Android device. Thank you, and please subscribe and give us a like and a share.